I'm from Japan.
Japan
Surplus.
A lot of people. It's rush hour.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir. Nice to meet you. Siomai.
Ding dong, ding ding.
Good afternoon, Philippines. Buhay. So I'm just passing by in this busy street in Quezon City, and suddenly I saw a lot of people there, and I want to see what's happening in there, and I will show you. Let's go. Before everything else, please mind second day in your wonderful country.
Malilimutan ko pa ba aking mahal?
So guys, look up here. There's a lot of, I think this is surplus. So look guys, we're here in Quezon City and there's a lot of people. It's Commonwealth Avenue. What's this, sir? It's a surplus?
Okay, surplus.
Surplus. Oh,
Surplus sa Quezon City.
Quezon City. This is Quezon City, Commonwealth Avenue. Right? Hi sir, what's your name, sir?
Jimmy.
Sir Jimmy. This is surplus.
Yes.
I'm from Japan.
Japan
Surplus. Yeah. And this is Philippine surplus.
Philippines.
Yeah, right. This is Rolex. Wireless charger for iPhone, Samsung.
Oh, yes.
Oh, this is vintage. Sir, this one. It's not Samurai. That's Jack Sparrow. That's why a lot of people here because there's a lot of interesting items. I'll show you more, guys. What's happening here. There's also some television. Guys, I'm showing you right now what's happening here. It's a lot of people. It was a nice day. It's a nice day here in Quezon City. Ooh. So let's go, guys. Let's continue walking here in the street of Quezon City. Hi, sir. Hi, sir. Nice to meet you. So guys, right now, I want to buy food, some local food here. Hi kuya, what's this? Finally, we have something to eat. Kuya, how much is the siomai?
20 boss.
20 pesos each.
Hindi, dapat.
5 pieces? Oh, that's nice. So, hi. Is this good? Nice. So we're gonna buy siomai. What?
Show my rice, show my rice, show my.
Can I order 5 pieces, sir? Only beef, sir. Beef.
25 pa no?
25, sir. And one of this. Here in the Philippines, they have this kind of street foods, siomai. And thank you, sir. So we have this siomai and gulaman, some soy sauce, and we put some toasted garlic siomai. It's good. Siomai in the Philippines is really good, guys. You need to try this whenever you're here in the Philippines. So guys, let's go for round two. Roasted garlic with some chili oil. So this is how you do it. You dip it. Let's try this chicken siomai. Mm. This is also good, but I prefer the beef. So guys, we're done eating here. Kuya, what's your name, Kuya?
Michael.
Sir Michael. Thank you for the good siomai. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Now that the end is already here, we
So guys, it's a wrap for today. So see you in our third day trip here in the Philippines. So bye for now. See you tomorrow.
Silang ka sa mundong ito, buhay nga ba'y sadyang ganyan? Tingin sa'yo'y isang putik, larawan anghel ko ang buhay. Bakit saan ka man naroroon? Kailangan pa bang ako ay tanungin?
Bye guys.